Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms survey questionnaire and collect data. Let's begin. So once you've opened your browser, you are going to search up Google Form, then select the first link which says Google Forms Sign In. Then it's going to take you to the Google Forms page, and you're going to have a bunch of templates in which you can use. So there's a party invite, t-shirt sign up, then RSVP, but we're going to start from blank. So go to the left side and choose blank form. So in the header section, it's going to be titled Untitled Form. If you want to change the name, simply click on it and change it. Then if you want to make it bold, simply highlight the entire heading, then select the bold option. Then you can also add a form description. So on default, there's going to be one question underneath the heading, and it's going to say Untitled Question. Simply click on it and then change the question. You can either choose to make it multiple choice, but if you don't want to make it multiple choice and instead you want to type, then you are going to select this drop-down option here, and there's going to be different things that you can use. So you can put in short answer, paragraph, check boxes, drop-down, it's your choice. So we don't want multiple choice, so I'm going to say short answer. And do you want to make this question required? You can simply just go to the bottom right here and then toggle this option on. Then if you want to add in another question, head over to the right and you're going to see this plus icon which says add question. Okay, so I've added in another question. I said, what is your age? And then I used a multiple choice option. Then I put the numbers 16 to 18, 19 to 25, and then 26 to 30. Then the next question, is there anybody that you're bringing to the party? I selected multiple choice. So option 1, I'm going to say yes. Simply click here where it says option 1. And then if you want to add in another multiple choice, head over to the bottom and select add option. And as you can see here, it's going to give you some suggestions. So since I said yes, it's going to put no for me automatically. I'm going to make it required. So once you're happy with your questionnaire, head over to the top and select the responses tab. And then choose link to sheets. And choose create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. Click on create. So it's going to open up a spreadsheet for you in your browser, and it's going to say, what is your name? What is your age? Basically all the questions that you included in the questionnaire. So then you're going to go back to your form and you're going to go to the top right and select publish. And make sure where it says responders that you choose anyone with link. Select publish. Then go to the top right again and select published and choose copy responder link. Now you can also select to make the URL shorter. It's going to make it much easier. So you're going to right click and select copy, or you can just choose copy here. So let's see what happens if I open the questionnaire in a new tab with the link that we have. So now once you've added in your details and everything, if you go to the bottom and select submit, and then go back to the spreadsheet, you will notice that your details are going to be entered. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.